Hi everyone, we're back again with Lunchology with Tracey. Tracey's going to show us a really cool little snack that you can whip up at home, right Tracey?
Yes. Thanks for having me, Stacy.
You're welcome.
This is brought to you by Fidelis Care. So if anyone needs help with healthcare, please reach out. You have friends, family members, anyone who needs help, call me at 585-330-5893. So the other day we did a Lunchology event. We did the yogurt bark up here, which actually came out pretty tasty. I don't know if anyone got to try that or not. Today I actually have two recipes lined up, and actually we did do two the other day. We did the yogurt covered blueberries.
Yum.
Today we are going to try the cucumber hummus cups. And I also have stuff to do strawberry cheesecake smoothie. So I thought we could give that a whirl as well. So let's see. So let's first start out with the cucumber hummus. And what you need are basically three different ingredients. So you can buy some of your favorite hummus. And I ended up getting this dill lemon. I wanted to try this kind. But they have plain, they have all sorts of kinds. You know, the kids maybe just want to get plain. You could get garlic. You can also make your own hummus by, with chickpeas. So if you got a can of chickpeas and pureed them. You also want to get a cucumber. I did get a seedless cucumber, but you can choose any type of cucumber. Hopefully, maybe you'll have some growing in your garden.
Yeah.
And then you also want to get a bag of these pretzel sticks.
Oh.
And so those are the three ingredients. Pretty easy, right? Three ingredients. But it's great if your kiddos maybe are not, they haven't liked hummus or they haven't had an opportunity to try it. Also, if maybe they're not sure, they're on the fence about cucumber, or they do like cucumber, or they're not sure about it, this will hopefully help them to like it even more. So I'm going to put my board down here so you can see on my cutting board. How's that look, Stacy?
It looks pretty good.
Okay, I can move it if you think.
Maybe if you move yours a little bit more down or back. Yeah, that's really good right there.
Okay. So I have my cucumber, and like I said, I got the English cucumber. The seedless. So I would go like an inch wide, okay? Because you're gonna cut out a cup, a little holder for it. So you want to go about an inch wide there. And I'm gonna cut out three little pieces. And then if you happen to have one of these, this is a melon baller. These are handy. If not, you could use maybe a teaspoon or a little knife to get in there, but you basically want to just get out a little scoop in the middle of the cucumber. So you're going to make like a cup. See that?
Yeah.
You can always save this. It's certainly edible, nothing wrong with that. But this is a fun thing too for the kids to even help you with, and this is not super sharp or hard to do, so this could be something fun. So you scoop out another
thing you could use, I'm thinking if you have kids, you probably still have the little baby spoons. I know I kept all ours. Those would be perfect, I think.
Yeah, that would be great. So I have these little three pieces. I'm going to save those because you can always eat those later on, but here they are cut out.
Very nice.
And then you want to take your hummus, and I'm going to just take a teaspoon, a little amount, a little dollop here, and put them in there with my finger, actually. Just like that.
This would be even good for an adult party, like as an hors d'oeuvre.
I know, right? To pass them around, I think would be really cute.
Yeah.
And then, so we've got all three of those done right here. And I'm just taking a pretzel and breaking it in half and put two in there. If you wanted to do really long ones, you certainly don't even have to break them in half. Keep them up like that. And I guess if you wanted to be really creative too, you could get, something for maybe a little nose or eyes.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, maybe like a little piece of relish, or what are those little dill, tiny little, mm, can't
Maybe
think
a
of it.
black olive.
Yeah, a black olive, a piece of that. So, and then I put some on a plate that I had done earlier, and I thought they do look pretty cute, right?
Yeah, you do. You could make them into little aliens. You could say it's an alien if you just put a nose or something on there.
Yeah, and the one with the really long one, the long ones look
The
kind of
leader.
funny. But I think, you know, maybe the kiddos would be more apt to give it a try, you know? It's
Yeah.
fun. They could also, you know, just take the pretzel and then just try the hummus and see, you know,
Hmm.
that's a way for them to try it a fun way. And, you know, as long as they're participating, usually seems to be they're more apt to try things. So that's always great. So
And kids
super
love
easy,
dipping
right?
stuff. Yeah, and kids and even adults, dipping
Yeah.
is always fun.
So the other recipe I wanted to try, because from the yogurt bark, we had leftover vanilla low-fat yogurt that we had left over from the last
Mhm.
recipe. So in this one, actually, this strawberry cheesecake smoothie calls for that. So I figured we could use that. So I'm going to grab my blender here. Actually, I'm going to leave the blender where it is, and I'll just bring this stuff over. So it does call for frozen strawberries. I only have fresh strawberries. So again, work
Even
with what
better.
you have. You can always improvise. I figured we could add or ice cubes. So
Yeah.
just to get that frozen. So I'm going to put in 4 whole strawberries because I'm going to let my blender do the pureeing, right?
Hmm.
And it calls for 4 ounces of the Greek yogurt. Eyeball that. If it said 4 ounces to me, I would just use my scale. I have a little
Yeah.
scale. So you could do that. You can take a little dollop. If you know what 8 ounces is, you know, 4 ounces. And then it actually calls for 1/4 of a cup of low-fat cottage cheese, which I'm going to omit because I don't have any. So, but if you had some, I think it wouldn't, you know, that's probably the cheesy flavor that adds to it. But we're going to do it today without it. And then 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. You have 1/3 of a cup. Everything here too seems to be Wegmans brand, so.
Well, that's okay. I think a lot of people go to Wegmans.
Yeah, right. We're lucky to have
Good local,
Wegmans.
good local grocery store.
You're right. And then it calls for a tablespoon of honey. So hold on 1 second. And we're just going to eyeball that too. A tablespoon is about that. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on my blender. Whip this up. Ice cubes. So I got to add the ice cubes. I knew I was missing something. I do like the idea that if you use the frozen strawberries, that's something you can always have on hand, you know?
Hmm. That didn't take very long.
No. And I'm sure you could puree it more. I kind of like the little bit of strawberry chunks in it, but you could certainly puree it so it was completely smooth.
Looks
There it
good.
is.
Nice color.
Yeah. Nice and refreshing on a hot summer day, right?
Right.
And a great way to get kiddos to have, you know, some
Lots of vitamin C in that.
Yeah,
Plus protein.
yeah. Get fancy and garnish it with a strawberry, which I'm gonna do.
How cute.
And then they say to take a little graham cracker, and
Uh-huh.
then because it's supposed to be like a strawberry cheesecake, and you can crumble that up in there, and have a little piece of graham cracker
Oh, cute.
sticking out, so you could try it like that.
Yeah.
Try it. Oh wow, it's very, very strawberry.
Yeah.
Very
Well, it's
good.
really good.
I'll take a sip and let you know. Very good.
Very good.
Very refreshing. I like the ice in there.
Yeah.
It makes it nice and cool for those hot summer days.
And I bet you could modify it. Like if you had blueberries, you could do blueberry or blackberry or raspberry.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
idea of using the frozen fruit, I love, because you can always have frozen fruit on hand. You don't have to
Yeah.
worry about,
Yeah. And then you
getting
don't have to worry
fresh.
about the ice either. If you don't have
Right.
ice, your fruit
Right. So it
frozen.
immediately freezes it, makes it nice and
Yep.
cool, and
Yeah.
yeah,
Looks good.
delicious.
What a good
So
choice. Because I
yeah,
know
so if
we
you're
have
interested in the recipe, we have the recipes on here, and we're happy to get those to the library once you guys reopen. We'll have a little stack there. People can come grab those, because these are great. There's a few other recipes we haven't even done yet too, so people can grab those and go and then do them with the kiddos and let us know.
Yeah, that'll be good. Thank you so
Okay.
much, Tracy.
Thank you,
Have a
Stacy.
good rest of your day.
You
Drink your
too.
smoothie, eat your hummus.
My
Bye.
snack for the afternoon.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you. Bye.